Today, we're doing a quick EFT tapping session on attracting even more money into your life. And this isn't about greed, obsession, or chasing money from a place of fear. It's about becoming more emotionally available for abundance. Because a lot of people say they want more money, but deep down, part of them still feels uncomfortable receiving it. Part of them feels guilty having it. Part of them feels stressed managing it. Or part of them simply doesn't feel safe holding on to more of it. And when that happens, we unconsciously block, delay, or push away the very opportunities we're asking for. So today, we're clearing that resistance. We're allowing ourselves to feel safer with money, more comfortable with abundance, and more open to receiving support, opportunities, overflow, and financial growth. Because the more emotionally safe you become with receiving money, the more naturally you allow it into your life. This isn't about forcing anything, it's about alignment. It's about removing the internal resistance that's been interfering with what you truly want. So close your eyes and take a breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. And just imagine what your life would feel like if receiving more money actually felt safe. Imagine feeling calm instead of stressed about finances. Imagine feeling supported instead of pressured. Imagine becoming someone who naturally attracts opportunities, support, abundance, and financial growth into their life. Let yourself feel that for a moment, and then notice what else comes up. Maybe part of you still feels uncomfortable receiving more. Maybe part of you feels guilty wanting more money. Maybe part of you feels afraid of responsibility, visibility, or change. And that's okay. Those feelings are simply the blocks we're clearing today. So take another breath in and open your eyes. Now, if you're new to tapping, just tap where I tap and say what I say. Repeat after me. Even though part of me still resists attracting more money, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have old conditioning around money and abundance, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though part of me doesn't fully feel safe receiving more money, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm open to changing that now. I'm attracting more and more money. I choose to become an even stronger money magnet. I allow myself to feel safe receiving more. I allow abundance to flow more easily into my life. I choose to become more comfortable with money, more relaxed around money, more open to receiving money, and more available for abundance. Maybe money already wants to flow toward me, but part of me has been resisting it through fear, through guilt, through stress, or through old beliefs about money. And I'm ready to release those now. And I'm ready to allow more in. I choose to feel really good about money. I choose to feel calm receiving money. I choose to feel worthy of abundance. I choose to stop pushing money away. I choose to stop fearing more money. And stop making receiving feel unsafe. I allow myself to welcome abundance with peace and confidence. I am becoming a stronger money magnet because I am becoming more aligned with abundance. I am becoming more responsible with money, more intentional with money, more grounded with money. I use money wisely. I make better financial decisions, and I trust myself with more. I'm clearing any fear of attracting more money, clearing any guilt around having more, clearing any stress around receiving more. Clearing any belief that abundance isn't for me. Clearing at a cellular level, all the way back through my past. Releasing these old money blocks. And allowing myself to receive more easily. I allow opportunities to find me. I allow support to find me. I allow financial growth into my life. I allow overflow into my reality. I don't need to force abundance. I can attract from alignment. I can receive with ease and allow more money into my life. I am attracting more and more money. I am becoming magnetic to abundance. Magnetic to opportunities. Magnetic to financial growth. Because I am finally becoming available for it. In my nervous system, in my identity, and in my life. Close your eyes and take a breath in. Hold it and let it go. And just imagine what your life feels like when abundance starts feeling normal instead of stressful. Imagine becoming someone who no longer blocks opportunities out of fear or discomfort. Imagine feeling calm, grounded, and open while allowing more money into your life. Feel what that version of you feels like in their body, how they think, how they carry themselves, how they move through life, and understand something important. That version of you isn't fake. That version of you isn't greedy. That's simply the version of you that stopped resisting abundance. Allow yourself to become that version now. Take one more breath in and open your eyes. The more emotionally safe you become with receiving money, the easier it becomes to allow more of it into your life. Because abundance isn't only about strategy, it's also about identity, safety, and what you believe you're allowed to receive. Keep coming back to this session whenever old fears or resistance start showing up again, because you don't need to force abundance when you stop pushing it away. Drink some water after tapping. Be gentle with yourself today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.